Alright guys, I'm here at the all-new Crown Nissan of Greenville. We're sitting inside of a 2019 SV trim level Altima. Just wanted to show you guys a couple things, mainly the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on this vehicle. This vehicle is not equipped with navigation. The SV trim level isn't, so what I'm going to do is just show you how you can use Apple CarPlay to create navigation and all sorts of different features on this vehicle. So it's just as easy as this. You take your Apple phone, plug it up via USB. As soon as you plug it into the socket here, you'll unlock your phone. On the screen here, it asks you to connect to that Apple CarPlay, and once you connect to that, you should see a CarPlay screen pop up here. So it's going to make my home screen look very comparable to this home screen here. You can do different things, like you can pull up maps. As I said, this vehicle is not equipped with navigation, but here you go, you've got that navigation on that screen, and if you click onto destinations there, you can find different points of interest. Like if you were looking for a coffee shop near you, you got Starbucks right down the road there, gas stations, parking garages, restaurants. I mean, it's just tons of technology packed into this Apple CarPlay. But if you go back there, you can go to different things like your messages. You can use you can go onto your phone. I was listening to a little Nate Dogg there earlier. But it's tons of features. You even got the Pandora app there. But just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to, you know, put extra features on this vehicle, even though it doesn't come with some of those things. But come check out this new Altima Crown Nissan of Greenville. Thanks, guys.